had a wonderful opportunity to work in the live project offered by Kreative Kode, which has been an invaluable experience. From creating comprehensive reports to crafting impactful presentations, I have delved deep into various domains like marketing, operations, and strategy. However, my primary focus during this time was on marketing, and it's been an incredible learning journey. Through countless projects and tasks, I developed some useful skills like strategic thinking, data analysis, and creativity. I have also realized the importance of adaptability and resilience in navigating the dynamic landscape of business. More importantly, I learned a lot about managing my time better. With a complex array of tasks both from the live project and academics, I had to learn to organize my work efficiently. Moreover, diving into business frameworks and concepts has provided me with a solid foundation to analyze complex scenarios and formulate strategic solutions which enhance my academic understanding and also empower me with practical tools to tackle real world challenges. I am excited to carry forward these learnings and experience into my journey to excel in my career. I want to express my sincere gratitude to everyone at Creative Code for their support and guidance. Thank you.